In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vantage on Metatrader 5. Vantage is your broker, and Metatrader 5, or MT5, is the platform where you chart, place, and manage your trades. The goal is simple. Connect your Vantage trading account to MT5, make sure you see your instruments, and then execute and manage orders confidently. Start by creating your Vantage trading account. Head to the Vantage Markets website and select Register or Trade Now. Choose an MT5 account type. Live if you're ready to trade real funds, or Demo if you want to practice with virtual capital. Complete the identity verification and finish setting up your account. After registration, you'll receive your login credentials, a login ID, a password, and the correct Vantage server name. Keep these details secure. You'll need them to log into MT5. Next, install Metatrader 5. You can download it either from Vantage or from the official MT5 website. Run the installer, follow the prompts, and open the platform once setup completes. If you're on desktop, you'll see the main workspace with charts, the Market Watch window, and the toolbox at the bottom. Now connect your Vantage account in MT5. Go to File, then log in to Trade Account. Enter your login ID and password, and select the exact Vantage server provided for your account type. Click OK. If the connection is successful, the bars in the bottom right corner will turn green and show data flow. If not, double-check that you selected the correct server and that your login matches your live or demo account. Also ensure your internet connection is stable. With your account connected, add your trading pairs. Open the Market Watch window or press Ctrl+M. Right-click inside it and choose Symbols. From here, find and enable the instruments you plan to trade, such as EURUSD, GBPUSD, or XAUUSD. They'll now appear in Market Watch, and you can drag any symbol onto a chart for quick viewing. To open a trade, right-click your chosen pair and select New Order. Set your volume, which is your lot size, and add a stop loss and take profit if you've planned those levels. When you're ready, click Buy or Sell. Your open position will appear in the Trade tab at the bottom. Always consider your risk per trade and be mindful of the spread. To close or modify a trade, go to the Trade tab, right-click the open position, and choose Modify to adjust your stop loss or take profit, or select Close Position to exit the trade. That's it. Your Vantage account is now integrated with MT5, and you're ready to trade responsibly.